Take it up the hill.
Piece of cake. Oh yeah. This is a good 15 inches.
Is that a keep snowing?
Yeah,
What are we
it's.
supposed to get?
We could get up to 2 feet.
Can't remember the last time we got that much. Must be global warming.